they have not updated the prices till now. So এটাও পড়বে, but as soon as the new stock comes. Height মানে বিশাল height, 25,000 পেয়ে গেলাম ওল্ড প্রাইসে। বাই। This is a 15 inch. Old price.
Nobody
I
is
think
buying.
the first time imagine I've seen so much traffic in there at 10 a.m.
Yeah.
I was planning to exchange my laptop in the weekend, but this morning I saw
Yeah.
prices increase.
No, I was getting the student offer. I would get the free pencil. But now pencil is even at 9 to 10k, right? Here the price is 25k.